Here's the pitch. Swung on, hit hard, left field. Left fielder going back. That's going to be gone. A home run for Maddie Ballsinger off the foul pole in left field for a 2-run home run, giving Lightning an 8-0 lead. Third home run of the game for the Wisconsin Lightning. And pitch. Ball hit right center field. That got over the head of second base, and that's going to roll almost to the fence there. Kulak pulls away. He's going to score. Maddie in safely with a 1-out double. All right, 1-1 count. Maddie here. Change up, hit up the middle. Base hit. Field rounding third base. Outfielder has it. Pulls home. In sliding. Maddie takes second. And Conger on deck. There's a first pitch swing. Fly ball right center field. The center fielder can't get to it. Ball hit. Gets out to the fence. Maddie running second. Going into third. Ball comes in. Leadoff triple. Here's the 0-2. Ball raced into left field. That's going to be a base hit and an RBI for Maddie Ballsinger. Looking at a few girls here on the Lightning. Base hit. Fair ball down the left field line in the corner. Rounding second, coming into third. Sending her home. In comes Tallulah for the score on the 1-out double with an RBI by Maddie Ballsinger. It's the 0-1. This swung on. Going to be a single to left field. Jojo running third. She's going to get in on the RBI single by Maddie Ballsinger. There's the pitch. Runner taken off. Catcher. And she's safe at second base. Here's the pitch. Change up in the dirt. Runner's going to try to go third. She does. Throw gets into left field. Construction call is the third base. Here's the pitch. Swung on. Ball hit towards shortstop. Flipped over to second to Hannah. Over to first. In time for the double play. Official start time, but there's a fly ball. Right center field. Over goes Maddie. Ball hits the fence. Maddie quick gets the ball in. Hits the cutoff. Throw to third. Scooped and tagged by Addison Uriel at third. What a great defensive play. So we're on our first 2 outs. Here's the pitch. Fly ball in the center field. Maddie Ballsinger back. Ranging over. Makes the catch for the third out. There's a pitch. Soft liner towards short. Maddie Ballsinger in to make the catch for the third out. So.